Hello everyone, this is Don's Meditations, and in today's video I'm going to share my green juice, my morning green juice, and how to prepare it. So this is kale right here, so I'm going to blend it all up. So here we are, put it over here. So after I blend it, I pour it in here in the strainer, and then pretty much I'm gonna use I'm gonna strain it, waiting for all the juice to come out. I'm gonna use my spoon to squeeze it all out while I do it. See if you can see the water, the green juice coming out. Okay. So you can imagine, so I'm going to use this spoon. This one. Squeeze all the juice out. That's how you can do it. Okay. All the juice out. See that? That's how you do it. Of course, I'm holding the phone, so I can't really. I'm gonna squeeze it more out. This is like basically, you know what to do. Like, so once you get it, you're gonna use your spoon and just squeeze all the juice out. Okay? So I'm showing you just how the procedures. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this cucumber in there, and I'm going to add some ginger powder and some turmeric in this and blend it up. That's the next step. That's what I'm going to add to this. Here we go. Okay, so after I blended it all up, and I poured the rest of this in here, and this is what it looks like. So it's the kale, cucumber, ginger, turmeric drink. Okay? So you can do this in the morning. It'll hydrate your system, give you your minerals. Yeah, so this is one of my morning drinks. I will make more videos to show you different drinks that I make in the morning. And you can choose what you like and what you like. I also have different herbs that I use. I use burdock root. I use dandelion root. Different herbs that I get from the herb store. So in the future, I'll be making videos on my herbal drinks that I make in the morning as well. Okay. So yeah, look at that. Look at all that green goodness. Good nutrition with turmeric, ginger. And you can add, I have moringa as well, and I also always do sea moss. I do my sea moss as well. I always make. I'm gonna show you. This is my sea moss right here. So I just get a spoonful of that and take the sea moss, and I do that green juice. And there you are. So yeah, so hope you like this video. If you're new to this channel, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment on what you do in the morning for your morning nutritional routine. Feel free to comment. Tell me, if you like more content like this. Much love to you guys. I love you all. You inspire me to make videos to help inspire to live a healthy, wealthy life. All right, have a good day, guys. Peace, love, and positive vibration.